What's up, guys? It's Ian with Pro Cycle Repair here. Hey, just want to show you guys a quick video. I'm working on a 97, I think, Yamaha Big Bear 4x4 350. Customer complaint was that it would start, but it would continually backfire and also not really seem to hit top end. First thing right off the bat, we look right at the fuel filter. That sucker's yellower than snot. It's probably had bad gas sitting in it, so we're gonna put a new fuel filter in it. Of course, I'm gonna love recommending installing one of these bad boys. It's a cleanable filter inside, so that way you can keep reusing them. They're about 20 bucks on eBay, I think. They got a nice aluminum billet exterior with a rubber O-ring on the inside to prevent leaking. Gonna throw some new fuel lines on it. Just want to show you guys really quick how to get the carburetor off though. First thing we're gonna do is you're gonna need a, let me see what size that is. It says 2.5. I don't know, I just found something that I had Allen size that says 2.5 on it. To get this off, it's a Phillips on this side for the airbox. Next, what we're gonna do that I did is I disconnected the fuel line. Then I used, what size is that? Used a 10mm to undo these two bolts so you can lift up the gas tank to give yourself a little bit more room. Next, we took off the throttle cable, which I'll show you the inside housing really quick. You're gonna undo those 4 screws right there, those 4 Phillips screws, which is going to show you this face. Then you're gonna lift this up like this, and the cable comes down in the top right here, and you're going to lift out of that groove right there. And once you lift out of that groove, you're gonna see this little number. So this sits down right on top like that. So once you lift that out, on the inside, it holds the throttle piece right in there like that. So you'll disconnect that, and there we go. Got the carb. You're gonna unscrew the 4 bolts for the float. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna poke that right there to pull out the floats. I'm gonna pull out the needle. We're gonna clean inside there, clean the needle, clean inside the carburetor. Then we're gonna take out our main jet and our idler jet inside here, clean those both out. And then we're gonna spray carb cleaner in there, spray carb cleaner on the other side. All those holes, open up the butterfly valve, clean that inside there, spray it all down with our air compressor. All right, so we took out our main jet. We took out our idler jet, which was a little bit clogged, about halfway. We took our float pin out and we took our idler, and I could tell it was just slightly getting stuck, so we cleaned the debris out of that. That way the gas won't stay on. And that was about it. This sucker was pretty clean. It's probably just something really minor, some minor debris in there that's causing it to backfire and not run to full throttle. Alright guys, so we got the car back in, we got our new gas line, we got our new fuel filter on, we got it on reserve. Let's fire it up. It's running pretty smooth. Thanks for watching, you guys. Pro Cycle Repair here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate all your guys' views, and I hope you're having a beautiful summer so far.